we are going to discuss about the communication system question. Okay, this question is given in the year of GATE 2001. Okay, here the topic is related to the digital communication. Okay, here the question is given as a video transmission system transmits 625 picture frames per second. Each frame consists of 4000 by 4000 pixel grid with 64 intensity levels per pixel. The data rate of the system is. Okay, now coming to the solution. Okay, here in the problem, a video transmission system transmits a 625 picture frames per second. Thus now the number of picture frames per second equal to 625. And next, each frame consists of 4000 by 4000 pixels. Okay, that is nothing but the pixels per each frame equal to 400 by 400. Sorry, that is 400 by 400. And with the grid intensity levels are 64. So the number of levels for this digital communication, the number of levels that equal to L, that is given as 64 intensity level. Okay, here per the second the number of frames are 625. Each frame consists of the pixels are 400 by 400. Like that, how many levels are there? Totally here 64 levels are there. Okay, the number of levels are given as 64. The L equal to 2 to the power of n. So if we write the 64 into the 2 to the power of n form, that is nothing but 2 to the power of 6. Now the number of bits for this communication system is given as n equal to 6. We got n equal to 6. Now we have to find out the data rate of this total communication system. Finally, this data rate equal to that is nothing but the n, the each frame consists of the represented bits 6 into the number of frames per second, that is totally is given as 625. Each frame consists of here, that is 400 by 400. Okay, here totally 625 frames are there. Each frame consists of pixel size is 400 by 400. The number of bits to represent each pixel is nothing but 6. Now that is nothing but the total data rate. So if we multiply the 6 into 625 into 400 into 400, then we will get the totally 600 megabits per second. 600 megabits per second, Mbps. Now the answer is C, that is 600 megabits per second.